We want to ensure that you get quality and safe service here at Banks Prime Salon. Here are the safety measures put in place for our employees and customers. Our salon employees ensure that they adhere to the proper safety checks and protocol before entry, such as temperature checking, disinfecting foot bath tray. The salon encourages its clients to book appointments and process payment online. Our salon observes social and physical distancing practices. Salon equipment and tools are sanitized after every session. The linens that are being used undergo UV light sanitation. Uphold the no-touch policy by avoiding body contact. Alcohol-based sanitizers are available in corridors for customer use. The salon ensures that all frequently handled areas are sanitized every 10 minutes. Our staff conducts workplace disinfection 15 minutes before salon operation ends. We want to give you a safe and relaxing hair transformation experience. Feel free to visit Banks Prime Salon to get a new do. Book an appointment now at www.banksprimesalon.com.ph. For more info, call these numbers.